Hello everyone, my name is Nazwa Kamila and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two things. First, I will share my opinion about smoking on campus, and then in the second part, we will learn about adverbs of frequency. So let's start with the first one. Cigarettes are not something new to Indonesian society. Their popularity has spread among many groups, and the number of smokers keep increasing every year. However, many people still show little concern about this issue and negative impacts of smoking, especially in universities. Universities are the highest level of education for young generation. They should not be passive in dealing with smoking problems. Today, smoking can easily be seen everywhere, even inside the campus area, which is supposed to be a place for studying and learning. It is common to find people smoking on campus, including lecturers, staff, and especially students. Since students are the biggest group in the university, they also make up the largest number of smokers. This is unfortunate because students are expected to be future leaders of the nation. Yet some of them are already affected by smoking habits. This issue is even more concerning among medical students who are expected to act as agents of health and promote healthy lifestyles in society. Therefore, universities need to have clear policies to solve this problem, such as a smoke-free campus. SFC policy. Unfortunately, not all universities in Indonesia have applied the smoke-free campus policy yet. One reason is that cigarettes companies often contribute to higher education, for example, by giving scholarships. However, this reason should not stop universities from applying SFC because scholarships can also come from other companies. Another concern is that some people on campus might protest against the policy and cause disruptions, but this is not a strong excuse because smoking itself causes more harm and disturbance to campus activity. If the policy is enforced consistently and communicated through persuasive approaches, people will eventually accept it. In the end, a smoke-free campus brings many positive impacts that will benefit the university and its academic community. So, that was my opinion about smoking on campus. Now let's move to the second part of this video.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we are in part 2. In this part, I'll talk about adverbs of frequency. The definition of adverbs of frequency is an adverb used to tell how often something happened and show the habits or routines of an action. And this is two types of adverbs of frequency. One is definite frequency. Definite frequency is refers to a certain pattern in which something happens regularly and predictable in specific quantities. 2. Indefinite adverbs of frequency is tells general information about how often an action or something happens without specific time. And this is example of definite adverbs of frequency. One which is every. The every is used to tell a regular time. Examples is every day, every week, every month, and notes every must be followed by a specific time to predict correctly. And next, one of context the same is frequency of number. The frequency of number is used adverbs, examples once, twice, 3 times, etc. These adverbs tell specific information about how many times something happens within a given time period. And last of definite adverbs of frequency is specific time frequency. The specific time frequency is used to describe a more specific frequency on a regular routines. Examples is hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And this is an example to find out how big the percentage of indefinite adverbs of frequency. Don't forget to capture it. And the next slide is an example of indefinite adverbs of frequency. One which is always. Always is used to express something happens regularly. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of always is 100%, which means it happens all the time. Examples is he always gives flowers to Mary. 2. An example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is usually. Usually is used to express something happens routinely or normally. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of usually is 85%, which means it happens most of the time. Examples is I usually take 2 buses per day. And this is 3. An example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is frequently. Frequently is used to express something happens many times or regularly. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of frequently is 75%, which means it happens regularly and with short time in between. Examples is she frequently goes to the park. And 4. Examples of indefinite adverbs of frequency is often. Often is used to express something happens repeatedly. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of often is 60%, which means it happens many times but not always. Examples is we often miss the English class. 5. An examples of indefinite adverbs of frequency is sometimes. Sometimes is used to express sometimes. 6. An example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is occasionally. Occasionally is used to express something happens from time to time. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of occasionally is 40%, which means it happens only at certain times. Examples is I occasionally travel by work. 7. An example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is rarely. Rarely is used to express something happens very rarely. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in the sentence. The percentage of rarely is 30%, which means it happens very infrequently. Examples is you rarely mix your friendship with business. An example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is seldom. Seldom is used to express something happens in formal context. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in the sentence. The percentage of seldom is 20%, which means it happens very rarely or infrequently. Examples is he seldom lends something. 9. An example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is hardly ever. Hardly ever is used to express something very rare occasion. This adverb is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of hardly ever is 10%, which means it almost never. Examples is we hardly ever play video game. And last, an example of indefinite adverbs of frequency is never. Never is used to express something doesn't happen at all. These adverbs is usually placed between the subject and verb in a sentence. The percentage of never is 0%, which means it doesn't happen. Examples is I never go out without money. And next slide is how to use adverbs of frequency in simple present in positive, negative, and interrogative. And last but not least is conclusion adverbs of frequency. Don't forget to capture it. Alright, that's all for my video. I've talked my opinion about smoking on area campus and adverbs of frequency. Hope you enjoy and easy to understand. Thanks for watching.